Here we have an FGF6. We're just about to do our phase 1 kit, which consists of a high flow dump and a 4-inch dump and a high flow cat, and a custom tune using the SCT Flash 3 tune. This vehicle in standard form should generate around about 270 odd kilowatts at the rear wheels, give or take, and once it's finished it should go very close to 300 or just over. So we're just about to do a power run now before we do the modifications, and we'll see how it performs. The other thing we're going to do that we also recommend with our upgrade packages on the F6 or XR6 is a piping kit. So we've got a Herrod piping kit which we're going to replace on this vehicle as well. So we'll give it a power run and we'll see how she goes. Okay, so there we have it. The car's just been completed with our phase 1 kit, which consists of the flash tuner, dump, high flow catalytic converter and a 4-inch dump pipe. You can see here the power run before, it had 268.5 kilowatts, and you can see the power run after with an improvement up to 311 kilowatts. The original power run here had a bit of a dip in the curve, but there was a bit of a boost spike happening here from the original tune, which reflects why it sort of picked up a little bit of power in the mid-runs and fell away here as a boost dropped off, and it reflects the same in the boost in the torque curve. So we fixed that up with the tune, we've levelled out the torque, we've levelled out the horsepower, and now we've got a nice smooth graph all the way to 311.3 kilowatts at the wheels. That's our phase 1 kit. This car now should drive really well, should perform great, and I think you'll find it'll be a lot more fuel efficient as well on a trip. So that's our phase 1 kit. Give us a call and come in for our phase 1 kit.